Hello and welcome to a new video of Team Rides. Today we're gonna do not a roller coaster but a flat ride, because this is for us the first time we're gonna do such an attraction. It's a booster, it's 60 meter and it's standing in Eifelpark in New Germany. So you can see in the background. I'm very curious about this attraction.
A little nervous.
Yeah, a little bit nervous.
But I wanna do.
Yeah, we also want to do that. So we are very curious about this one. So yeah, we're gonna take you on our ride with us, and after that we're gonna say our opinion about this attraction. So see you soon. Ciao, ciao. Okay. Oh my god.
Let's go. It's lekker, hè?
Ja. Nice, huh?
De tanto tenerla abierta. This is the other side, eh?
Si miras abajo, ves dónde te caí.
This park is complete. You wanna do that also?
Yeah, of course.
And Pin and Kevin, what they do?
Kim, yo.
Oh, he's nervous.
Yeah. Why not? Now we're going. They're gonna pull us. He's gonna pull us. Hey, whoa! Oh! Oh! What? Yeah, I still have. Oh.
The last one is more powerful. No, tenemos que ir donde Kim y Kevin ya.
Yeah.
Pero mamá, no hay fila, mira.
Tenemos que ir a buscar a Kim y a Kevin.
Okay, we just had a ride on this booster, this attraction, this flash ride. Wow, it was really amazing. So forceful, it has a lot of power. The speed, I think, is 100 kilometers per hour, I think.
Yeah. The wind.
Yeah, the wind blows in your face. You feel the power. My feet were tinkling. Yeah, I really liked it.
That's fun, eh? That's fun.
Yeah, really fun, really powerful. So if you do want a powerful booster like this one, you have to come to Eifelpark because this is really nice.
Yeah.
Really amazing. So yeah, if you like this video, just put your thumbs up, put comments below, and yeah, also subscribe.
Actually.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Ciao, ciao.